Growing up in the islands, life was gold. You had your family, you had your friends, and the community as a whole. You got the ocean breeze and the rent was free, cause every land was owned and passed down a family tree. You didn't have to worry much about what to eat, cause we had plantations, plenty of fishes in the sea. It was everything you could ask for in a home. You know, the place where the blood in your heart flows. Galali square inga po fe lava lele ai le koloa. E maula vai le vai ma le moki ngoa. Samoa falu alu lava fa ye me uma ai wakele ngamang malo ale kamo fa mo walunga ngalo kwai mal ka ko kali konga o Samoa fa vai le ko se io o le unga. But since Westerners came and set foot on our shore, they made us think we were living uncivilized and poor. But we should have known we didn't need anything more other than the life that God provided us before. But greed and selfishness got in the way, giving us more problems and a bunch of mistakes. And that is just what we need in this society. On top of racism, discrimination, and all other negativity. You even got your own blood spitting on your name, hoping you won't be able to see success in all your days. All the talk of hate is why we live in the world we live in today. Violence killing sisters and brothers, drugs affecting fathers and mothers, people losing each other, blaming one another. But when the going gets tough, the tough ones keep going. Even if it gets rough, you gotta stay moving, cause at the end of every storm there comes a time to rebuild and restore. All it takes is a little bit of faith and you'll be able to see another day. Mangkua de menga e ola mayai, a vele kua mau kaukai, kai me whainga ka ke me popo ngā, o le li e mapu ia I o ki ngā. Still standing, through him, I'm still standing.